this is Premiere Pro 2018. Let's see how to export only a portion of the videos on the timeline. We have two buttons here, mark in and mark out. I and O is the hotkey, and move the cursor from where you want to start the video. Let's say from there. Click on mark in. The selection is being created, and move the cursor to the next point. Let's say I'm going to hold down shift and it will jump exactly between them, and mark out. So that's the selection. Okay, you can do a few things with that selection. You can move it around from the center. You can right click on it and you can clear it, clear in and out, or just the beginning or just the end. Let's exercise it, clear it. Okay, now let's create it once again, this time with the hotkey I, and move the cursor, let's say exactly between them and O. Okay, so that's the selection, and make sure this portion is active. Click on the title somewhere and go to File, Export and Media, or just press Ctrl M, and now you can export it from here. Select the codec that you want to use, let's say H.264, select the file name that you want, click on it and specify it, add video, specify the settings that you want to use, you can use the original ones. Okay, and as you can see, only this portion will be exported, the in and out part. Okay, and just click on the export button.